Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, in Sophos XDR series, today I'm going to cover domain verification as well as your users and role management. Because I personally believe implementing any product, whether it's on-premise or cloud, we should go step by step, so that we don't miss anything, and it will be easier for you guys to understand the product very much in depth. And both the things which I'm demonstrating, these are very important. So without further ado, let's get started after this small intro video. Hey, welcome back guys. Now as you could see, this is our Sophos Central Console. I mean, when you logged into your Sophos console, this is the screen which you are initially get on your screen, right? Now to proceed further, what exactly you will need to go? So we have to go here, general settings, okay? And once you reach out to this general setting, there is one option called verify domain, okay? So let's click on that. And currently, since we having the fresh Sophos Central Console, so right now we couldn't see any domain, right? But to establish a trust, as well as if you want to use this console for peace threat campaigns and other, as well as federated sign-ins, okay, then it's very important for you guys to add the domain. And how exactly you can add domain? Then simply click on add domain here. Then provide your name, like Technical Spark is my domain, and click on save. Once you click on save, then there is a TXT record will get generated. So let's say you have this particular domain purchased from, or domain manager is your GoDaddy, or it could be any other, right? So you have to copy this TXT value and need to enter into your domain service provider, so that this particular domain will get verified. This is very easy process, guys. Okay, so guys, currently this is my test environment, so I'm not going to enter this value into my service provider, but yeah, this is the way you guys can verify your domain. If in case if you need more details, like how exactly you can enter the TXT value, then let me know in the comment box, and I'll try to create one dedicated video for you guys on how to verify your domain. Once this is done, okay, then let me go back again to general settings. There's one more option, guys, federated identity providers. Okay, you can go that, and if you want to add the any other identity providers, then you can simply click on add and enter all the details. But right now we don't have anything for the on-premise, so I'll just keep this. But this is also one of the things which you will have to enter, okay, if you have all the details. Now this is how basically you will be able to verify the domain. Okay, now let's go back into the general setting, and let me explain you what are the service roles we have available. So currently, if I go to the my user profile, then here you will see currently I am a super admin. Okay, super admin has all the privileges on the console. Okay, how exactly you can allocate the permission to users? Then for that, let's say I'm going into the peoples. Okay, when you go to the people, guys, let's say I would like to provide the admin rights to this user, Sohanji Technical Spark, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply have to click on that Sohanji, and here is the edit option available. Okay, so let's click on that, and when you go to the edit, okay, here you will see the permissions, right? Super admin, admin, help desk, and read only. So let's say if you are going to select here super admin, then as you could see, this particular email ID has been picked up from my Active Directory. Okay, because here I don't have any permission to edit this. So basically this all details are captured from Active Directory. Okay, because we have AD-Sync tool installed, and from there only it's all the details are getting pushed into our Sophos Central Console. Okay, so let's say once you may instead of user you have selected super admin, okay, or let's say help desk, then what exactly you will have to go? You will just simply need to click on email setup link. Okay, and once you do that, the user will receive an email like this. Let me show you sample. Okay, so this type of an email user will receive, okay, to activate their account. Now let me minimize this. So hopefully guys, now things are clear how exactly you can assign the permissions, right, to any user and allow login to the Sophos console. Now how exactly those permissions can be created, like read only, help desk. Okay, so for that you will have to go to the settings again, and then role management. Once you come to this particular space, you will see 4 permission sets, or you can say roles, which we have seen under the people, right? Super admin, admin, help desk, and read only. Now if you want to view all these things, what you can do, you can simply click on any of the role and you will see, okay, this is a help desk, right? And these are the permission sets. So similarly, if you want to create any new custom, because these are all predefined, then to create custom you will have to click on add role, right? Give any name to this particular role. So let's I'll just give the example, test role. Okay, and what could be the base role? So I'll just keep read only, that is fine. If you want to mention any description, you can give it to that. And then here you will have to choose the products, which type of access you would like to give. So let's say I would like to give product full access. Okay, then server protection full access. Okay, then for encryption also I'll give the full access. Email gateway I'll just skip. Page 30 is also I'm going to skip. Wireless will just skip because these are all most of the network products. DNS protection I'll just keep it. Yeah, so I have selected all the rules which I wanted, right? Now additional settings for Sophos Central admin. So what are the permission you would like to give? So let's say for now I will just give all the permissions, but this is just for your information, guys. Just read these permissions and then only you have to select, so that only the appropriate action can be given to the this particular role, test role. Okay, now let me click on save and our role has been created. You can see the name, the type is custom because we have manually created. Okay, now if I again guys go to peoples, okay, and let's say I'm again going to click on Sohanji, edit. Now here you will see one more role added, that is test role, right? So this is how you will be able to select the appropriate roles, and once you are done with the changes, click on save. This is how you will be able to assign fresh role to any user. Similarly, if you already assign any role to any user, then you will be able to switch back, shuffle these roles by selecting another one, and then again you will have to click on save. But right now let me click on cancel. Okay, and we'll again go to the settings, and here we'll just go again back to the role management. And guys, by any chance if you ever want to delete the role, then you just have to select that role, like I have selected test role, and then what you can do, you can simply click on delete role. Okay, and this you will be able to delete. As well as if you want to edit role, then you will have to click on edit role and you will get this option. For deleting one, simply click on delete and again delete, and that role will be get deleted permanently. See, role is deleted. So that much of simple this is. Okay, so based on your requirement, just create appropriate role and make sure that you are not giving super admin access to anyone, okay, until and unless it's very necessary, because those people will be able to make modification into some of the policies, right? So just be cautious while allocating the rule and use this particular feature wisely. So that's it guys, I hope you have found this particular video interesting and learn something, that how to exactly you will be able to manage your roles as well as the verify domain. So both the things are very much important, and if you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.